Okay guys, so this is Pinterest. Now if you take a close look at my profile, you're going to see I have over 14,000 monthly views on my pins, and you can see I have just 25 followers in total. So even with just a few followers, I still get this number of people coming to view my pins monthly. That is why in today's video I'm going to show you how you can leverage such free traffic coming from Pinterest so that you can set up a passive income stream online with affiliate marketing. And we are going to be using my favorite affiliate network or marketplace, ShareASale. Hey there, welcome to the Resource Campus. My name is Risa. I'm a Cameroonian blogger, content creator, and online educator. On this channel, I make videos on tech productivity and online money making strategies. So if you like such content, please consider hitting the red subscribe button that you see down below, and also do not forget to turn on notification bell so that YouTube will be able to notify you whenever I upload a content. Now, if you're a beginner who is watching this video and you have absolutely no clue what affiliate marketing is all about, then let me just give you a little rundown. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is basically where you promote other people's products and services with the help of a link, and you get paid whenever you make a sale. Now, this is how it works. A business person has a product, and then you apply to be an affiliate for that product. Once you're accepted, you're going to be given a unique affiliate link. Now, once you take this affiliate link and promote it on your social media pages, and then someone comes and click that link, it's going to direct them to the sales page of that product. So once they go ahead and buy the product, you're going to be paid a percentage commission of the sale. So that is basically what affiliate marketing is. So now that we know about affiliate marketing, let's see how we can promote our affiliate product using this free traffic source, Pinterest. So what is Pinterest? Pinterest is a visual platform where you can organize, collect, and even share images. Now, according to statistics, Pinterest has over 400 million monthly active users, and over 90% of these active users are from the US, which makes it the best platform to get US traffic. Now, unlike other social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram, the main focus for Pinterest is to allow their users to collect, organize, group, and even share images they like in the form of bots. Personally, I use Pinterest to get a lot of my design inspirations, and also, which is the most important part, is to do marketing for my affiliate products. That leads us to the next question. Can you use affiliate link on Pinterest? Remember, not all social media platforms allow you to insert affiliate link directly on their platform. An example is Facebook, so you cannot directly add your affiliate link to a Facebook post. But to answer the question, yes, you can use affiliate link on Pinterest. Okay, now that we're done with the basics, let's go to the actual tutorial to see how we can market our affiliate product on Pinterest. Just like I earlier mentioned, today we'll be focusing on one of the well-acclaimed and trusted affiliate network or marketplace, ShareASale. So we're going to be using ShareASale to find our affiliate product. Now, if you don't know what ShareASale is, it is basically an affiliate marketplace where you can find different products from different businesses and companies to promote. So you don't have to go and start figuring out which company or which business has affiliate products. So you can say ShareASale is an all-in-one affiliate marketplace. Okay, now that we have that information, let's take a look at the overview of the platform. Now, once you've been accepted to the network and you log into your account, you'll be immediately shown to your dashboard. This is where you can see how much you've made, how much you're going to be paid from the platform, your top merchants, that is the affiliate programs that you have joined, and the ones that are making you the most money. You're also going to see your weekly progress report. That is how many people clicked your links and how many conversions that have been made from this click. Now remember, the type of conversion depends on the affiliate program that you've joined. There are some affiliate programs that require you to make an actual sale. For example, the visitor that clicks your link will be required to go and then buy the product before you can earn a commission. And there are others that will only require you to get the email of the visitor. So that is where pay per sale and pay per lead affiliate programs come in. So with the Share Resale affiliate network, you can find a variety of affiliate programs to join. You can find the ones that will pay you per sale, and you can also find the ones that will pay you per lead. Personally, I like to join the pay per lead affiliate programs because it is quite easy. It's easier to make conversions with these programs. But again, the commission rate is actually lower than the pay per sale affiliate programs. How do you find products to promote? So you're going to open up your dashboard and then go to merchants at the top and click on search for merchants. When you scroll down, you're going to see the top trending merchants on the platform. These are the products that so many affiliate marketers are promoting on the platform, and it's actually making good conversion. Now remember, there are thousands of businesses and companies who join the Share Resale affiliate network with their products and services. So you need to find a product or services that makes sense for your business, for your particular niche. For example, let's say you're into fashion. So you need to find a product or services that has to do with the fashion industry. You can promote things like clothing, makeup, hair accessories, etc. You cannot go and start promoting maybe things like food, sport. These are things which are not related to your niche. So right here on Share Resale, you can filter through products by categories. So to do that, go to the top and click categories. So this is the first place I would recommend you start if you want to start picking a product to promote. So you can simply just choose your category from the list, and it's going to show you some of the products that you can promote in your niche. Now you will need to apply for each program individually. The fact that you've been accepted to join the Share Resale affiliate network doesn't automatically mean you'll be accepted to join each program. So if you see a product that you like to join or to be affiliated with, then you can apply for the product. Another way you can search for products is to modify your search according to the type of affiliate program that you would like to join. You can do that by just going to the top and you're going to see modify search. Click on it, and this is where on your left you're going to see program types. So you can filter your search by pay per sale affiliate program, pay per lead affiliate program, even affiliate programs with a flat rate. From here you can choose a product and then apply to join the affiliate program. So basically that is the overview of the Share Resale platform. How do you join the platform? To join the network, you need one very important requirement: a website. And before you even ask, no, your social media accounts or pages doesn't count as a website. Now, I know this might seem frustrating, especially if you're hearing this and you don't have a website of your own. Having your own personal website is very much advantageous, especially if you're serious about making money online and eventually turn it into a full-fledged business in the long run. Now, the reason you are required to own a website before joining the Share Resale affiliate network is because when you join the program, your website is going to be visible to merchants. That is the businesses and the companies who own the products. When you apply for the product, these merchants are going to go check your website to see if it aligns with their business. Once you have your website, you can go ahead and register for the program easily. To do that, you can just go to their website. I'm going to leave the link of the website in the description box, and you can just click sign up and you register and fill in the necessary information. Once you've joined the Share Resale network and you have selected the products that you want to promote, the next step is to get your affiliate links. So how do you get your affiliate link? To get your affiliate link, go back to your dashboard and click links at the top, and then click get a link or banner. You're going to see all the products that you're affiliated with. At the side of each product, you're going to see get links. So all you have to do is click get link for the product that you want to promote. So it's going to lead you here where you can just copy the link. If you want to get the banner, you can click on banners, and it's going to show you different sizes of banners that you can choose from. So you can just choose the banner and then copy the HTML code and place on your website like this. Now let's see how we can promote our link on Pinterest. So the first step is for you to create a Pinterest pin. In this case, we're going to be using Canva to create the pin. Go to the Canva search tab and type in Pinterest. Click on Pinterest idea pins. You're going to see so many different templates that you can use, customize it to what you want. You can just choose any free templates and you start customizing to your liking. You can change the text, color, image, and everything on this template. Once you're satisfied with the way your pin looks, you can download it as a PNG file. Now once you've done that, the next step is to go to Pinterest and create a pin. So this is where we're going to upload our pin. So to do that, click here and then choose the image. So you can see this is our image. Now the next step is for you to give a title for your pin. So right here you can just come up with an interesting and catchy title for your pin. Once you've done that, the next step is to describe your pin. So you're going to give a brief description of what this pin is all about. This is also where you're going to add hashtags. So you need to do research and look for other related pins and see the keywords that they are ranking for, and you can use it and add to your description. So once you've done that, the last step is to add our link. This is where you're going to add your affiliate link. Now you can add affiliate link directly to Pinterest, but you need to specify that it is an affiliate link. So you need to add something like AF or affiliate link, something to signify that it is an affiliate link. Personally, the best way I like to use is to link it directly to my blog post where I like to place the affiliate link. This to me is the best way I find to promote affiliate products, because you're not only selling but you're giving your visitors value. You can create a blog post telling your visitors why the product is important, how it can benefit them, and why it is necessary. So you're not just selling but you're actually giving them value. This is actually a really cool way of making passive income online. You just need to set it up once and that is it. So this to me is one of the best passive income ideas that you can establish for yourself. Now remember, this is not a get rich quick scheme. Affiliate marketing takes time, takes patience, and takes hard work. It is something that you need to set up first before you start seeing results. That is why it is a passive income. Okay guys, so that is the end of the video. Now if you have any question, please leave it in the comment section. And again, if this video was interesting, please consider subscribing to the channel, and also do not forget to turn on notification bell so that YouTube will notify you when I upload a video.